Okay. So session recordings have been started. Fine. So what if you do not want to add the orange juice inside your brownies? One, orange juice here acts as a liquid, okay, for maintaining the consistency of your batter. Second, orange juice is also acidic in nature, so it also helps in making the batter acidic for other ingredients to react with. Okay, so these are the two roles which orange juice plays here. ठीक है? You can replace orange juice with cranberry juice. You can also replace it with cherry juice and also add chopped cherries into it. What if you do not at all want to include anything in fruit flavor? I have not pinned my screen because I was just talking. I'll pin it, but just a minute. Okay. What if you do not want to add anything in fruity flavors? I personally will not recommend it, but in case you just want to give it a try, what you can do is add buttermilk to it. Okay, in baking, buttermilk is nothing but a mixture of milk plus either lemon juice or vinegar in the same quantity. ठीक है, so अगर it's 60 ml of orange juice, replace it with 60 ml of buttermilk. ठीक है, तो अगर आपको ऑरेंज जूस नहीं मिलता है तो वैसे तो आप माल्टा भी यूज कर सकते हो, आप ऑरेंज जूस फ्रेश वाला यूज कर लो, किन्नू जो होता है वो यूज कर लो, स्वीट लाइम जो होता है उसको यूज कर लो, कुछ भी जो ऑरेंज फैमिली से है आप उसमें से कुछ भी यूज कर सकते हो। नहीं है तो क्रैनबेरी जूस यूज कर लो, चेरी जूस यूज कर लो, जो ट्रॉपिकाना और रियल के पैक्ड जूसेस होते हैं आप वो भी यूज कर सकते हो। ठीक है, ये फ्रूटी फ्लेवर ब्राउनीज ही बनाते हैं और बहुत अमेजिंग टेस्ट करते हैं। आप ही के ग्रुप में शायद 2-3 लोगों ने ऑलरेडी ट्राई भी कर लिए हैं, रिव्यूज भी दिए हैं, तो आप एक बार इनको बना के प्लीज ट्राई करो। अगर बिल्कुल ही नहीं बनाना है और इसे प्लेन चॉकलेट में रखना है, इवन दो उसका अलग रेसिपी होता है एंड बहुत ही प्लेन सा ब्राउनी लगेगा अगर आप ये तरीका अभी करोगे, बट अगर नहीं करना फ्रूट फ्लेवर्स के साथ तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, आप इसमें बटर मिल्क डाल सकते हो। बेकिंग में बटर मिल्क कभी भी छाछ नहीं होता है, ठीक है, जो बाहर मार्केट में छाछ मिलती है ना, हम उसे बटर मिल्क नहीं बोलते हैं बेकिंग में। बटर मिल्क आपका दूध प्लस सिरका या फिर नींबू का जो जूस होता है उसका मिक्सचर होता है। ठीक है, तो अगर 60 ml या 60 ग्राम्स हमने ऑरेंज जूस लिखा है तो आप इसे 60 ग्राम्स बटर मिल्क के साथ रिप्लेस कर सकते हो। बट सिर्फ एज ए लास्ट करना, अगर आप इसमें डाल सकते हो ऑरेंज जूस या आप पैकेट वाला ला सकते हो तो प्लीज आप वो लेकर आओ। ठीक है, ओके। Also, guys, I will not. So if this is only for the people who are watching recordings, I will not be checking the WhatsApp messages now because it is already past 11 and we have to start with the sessions. That is one of the reasons I send the link 15-20 minutes prior so that you guys can try joining in. Okay? Cool. Everybody clear with the basics now? सबको basic clear हो गया इस brownie का? क्या रिप्लेस कर सकते हो आप जूसेस में, एंड अगर बिल्कुल जूस नहीं डालना है तो बटर मिल्क से। ठीक है, आर वी क्लियर विद द बेसिक्स गाइस? यस, ओके, ग्रेट। चलो लेट्स मूव अहेड। फॉर योर orange chocolate brownies, we will be first starting by melting our chocolate and butter. Again, the butter which we are using is salted butter and the chocolate which we are using is from the brand 2M. You can also use Mode, you can use Daniel, you can use Couverture वाली जो होती है, जो normal Couverture chocolates which comes, you can also use them. ठीक है, हम लोग अभी Mode यूज 2M यूज कर रहे हैं, आप Mode, Daniel कोई भी ब्रांड यूज कर सकते हो, ब्रांड हमने लिख के भेजे भी हैं। कंपाउंड्स, कवर्चर्स दोनों में से आप कोई भी यूज कर सकते हो। ठीक है, सो you can just start typing the doubts if you have any in the chat box. I will deal with them just like we dealt yesterday. ठीक है? So for now, I have this glass bowl in which I have dark chocolate here and butter here. Butter is again salted butter. ठीक है, तो हमने डार्क चॉकलेट लिया है और बटर लिया है. बटर हमारा salted butter ही है. Unsalted butter, if you want to use, you can use unsalted butter, but you will have to add extra salt on top. ठीक है, अगर अनसॉल्टेड यूज करना है आप कर सकते हो, बट आपको एक्स्ट्रा सॉल्ट उसमें डालना ही पड़ेगा. ठीक है, so dark chocolate plus salted butter. We'll put this in microwave for melting. So I'll just melt it for 30 seconds first. Every time you have to melt your chocolates, you only melt for the first 30 seconds. Get them out, check if the entire chocolate mixture has melted or not. And if not, you can again keep it back for melting. ठीक है, आप हमेशा चॉकलेट को पहले 30 सेकेंड्स के लिए मेल्ट करोगे. अगर नहीं हुआ होगा मेल्ट तो मिक्स करके फिर से 15 सेकेंड्स के लिए. कभी भी चॉकलेट को पूरा 1 मिनट के लिए या 1.5 मिनट के लिए एक साथ नहीं मेल्ट करेंगे. Okay, never ever melt your chocolates for a very long time all together, or else you run into a risk of burning your chocolates. Okay, so first 30 seconds, bring it out, whisk it up, see if you still have lumps, keep it back for 30 seconds. Or depending upon the number of, if you have very small lumps, even 15 seconds will work. So Abhi, this butter has melted. Let's mix it with the chocolate and see if we have lumps or not. Okay, so we do not have any lumps. This chocolate is good to be used. Okay. Always whisk it up or mix it up nicely before you plan to re-put it in the microwave. आप हमेशा से एक बार इसे अच्छे से चम्मच से मिला लेंगे. उसके बाद ही डिसाइड करेंगे कि वापस से इसे 15 सेकेंड के लिए रखना चाहिए कि नहीं. अगर आप ज्यादा गर्म कर दोगे अपनी चॉकलेट को तो चॉकलेट जल सकती है. ठीक है, can you see that this does not has any lump and it is lump free, very smooth right now. Okay, let's come back. Just a second. Okay, so we have our chocolate. Also, if you do not have a microwave, there's another method for melting your chocolates, which is the double boiler method. How do you do a double boiler method? Give me like 5 minutes. Let's finish this batter and then also deal with the other ways of melting the chocolate. अगर माइक्रोवेव नहीं है तो आप डबल बॉयलर मेथड भी यूज कर सकते हो चॉकलेट मेल्ट करने के लिए. कैसे करते हैं डबल बॉयलर मेथड वो मैं आपको बता दूंगी. ठीक है, okay. Now you keep this chocolate mixture aside. Just again showing the consistency of the chocolate. Now we will keep this aside. To the bigger bowl, we will add condensed milk. Okay. This is a market store-bought condensed milk. You can use condensed milk from Amul, Mithai Made or Nestle condensed milk. Both of them work. ठीक है, कंडेंस मिल्क ये वाला मार्केट का है. आप लोग अमूल मिठाई मेड भी यूज कर सकते हो और नेस्ले का कंडेंस मिल्क भी यूज कर सकते हो. Why we do not? Okay, so condensed milk ideally can be made at home and used, but if you do not get the correct consistency of condensed milk, the entire baked product is gonna lose its shape. ठीक है, अगर कंडेंस मिल्क राइट कंसिस्टेंसी का नहीं बना तो पूरा जो आप बना रहे हो ना ब्राउनीज पूरा खराब हो जाएगा. तो बहुत जरूरी है ब्राउनीज में कंडेंस्ड मिल्क सही कंसिस्टेंसी का बनाओ अगर आप घर पे बना रहे हो तो, ठीक है। सो वी हैव कंडेंस्ड मिल्क हियर. To this we'll add the chocolate mix. Yes, I had added butter with the dark chocolate for melting it. And we'll mix the dark chocolate mix and the condensed milk nicely. ठीक है, अभी हम इसमें डार्क चॉकलेट का जो हमने मेल्ट करा था और कंडेंस मिल्क को अच्छे से मिला लेंगे. To this now we'll add the orange juice. So if you do not like a very strong orange flavor, जैसे I do not like, personally do not like a very strong orange flavor, what I do is, if you see the PDF, it is written 60 grams of orange juice. What I do is I take 40-45 grams of orange juice and dilute it with either okay, so either take 45 grams of orange juice and dilute it with 15 or 20 grams of water. तो 60 ग्राम्स ऑफ ऑरेंज जूस अगर लिखा है और आपको इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग फ्लेवर नहीं पसंद है ऑरेंज का, तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, आप ऑरेंज जूस 40 ग्राम्स ले लो और उसमें 20 ग्राम पानी ऐड कर लो, या 45 ग्राम्स आप ऑरेंज जूस ले लो और 15 ग्राम आप उसमें पानी ऐड कर लो. ठीक है, so these are two ways you can dilute the orange juice and use in these brownies. They also give a very subtle orange flavor but are not very overpowering. ठीक है, इसमें बहुत ही हल्का सा और अच्छा सा ऑरेंज का एक फ्लेवर रहेगा बट ओवर पावरिंग वो फ्लेवर नहीं रहेगा जैसे कई लोगों को नहीं पसंद होता है. ठीक है, गिव दिस अ गुड मिक्स. नाउ वन product which a lot of people had issues was orange zest. Guys, orange zest is this छिलका. ठीक है, जो बाहर का छिलका होता है ना, इसको बोलते हैं orange zest. You can use this. This is optional but adds a very nice flavor. ठीक है, इस छिलके को आप यूज कर सकते हो, ऑप्शनल है बट बहुत अच्छा फ्लेवर आता है. जो भी आप यूज कर रहे हो ना सिट्रस फ्रूट, जैसे माल्टा, कीनो, ऑरेंज, जो भी यूज करो उसके बाहर के छिलके को जेस्ट बोलते हैं. सिमिलरली लेमन के बाहर के छिलके को भी लेमन जेस्ट बोलते हैं. Okay, so this outside peel is what is known as zest for all citrus fruits, lemon, malta, quinoa, sweet lime, orange, anything. ठीक है, what you have to make sure is that you just take this outside peel and not the white part of it. So can you see there is this very thin line between the peel and whitish thing. जो green है और जो white है उसके बीच में बहुत हल्का सा फर्क है. This white part will make it bitter, but the outside green part will add a very nice flavor. ठीक है, अगर आप गलती से white वाला part डाल दोगे तो कड़वा हो जाएगा, but अगर सिर्फ बाहर का green part रहेगा तो कड़वा नहीं होगा. Okay, so how do you do it is just take a grater and just grate it once. तो एक जगह से सिर्फ एक ही बार grate करो, बार बार grate मत करो. ठीक है, इस तरीके से आप white part तक नहीं पहुंचोगे कभी भी. ठीक है. What I'll add is I'll add these candied orange peels. How do you make it? I have this recipe on Instagram wherein I had taken the entire orange cuts and just, you know, soak them in sugar syrup and all. I can forward that link in the group, and if you want to make them at home, you can also make them and add. ठीक है, अगर ये ऐड करना है तो कैसे बनाते हैं उसकी रेसिपी मैं फॉरवर्ड कर दूंगी और आप इनको भी ऐड कर सकते हो. Okay. Um, However, adding this or adding the zest is optional. ये दोनों ही चीजें ऐड करनी optional है. ठीक है? Again, only baking powder. We will only be using baking powder. We will not use baking soda, guys. ठीक है? And lastly, adding all-purpose flour. Let's see it. Mix it up. Do not ever over mix your brownie batters. आप अपने brownie batters को कभी भी over mix नहीं करोगे. Why do we never over mix them is because you might form gluten. अगर आप कभी भी ब्राउनी बैटर्स को ओवर मिक्स कर दोगे तो इसके अंदर ग्लूटेन बन जाएगा एंड आपके बेक्ड प्रोडक्ट्स जो मोस्टली बेक्ड प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं स्पेशली जो स्वीट प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं केक brownies, cookies, cupcakes, muffins, they do not need any gluten formation. अगर इनमें से किसी भी प्रोडक्ट में ग्लूटेन फॉर्म होगा तो वो अच्छा नहीं टेस्ट करेगा. Okay, so we have this batter ready. Let us also show you the consistency of the batter. Okay, let's show the consistency. It's a very flowy batter. ठीक है, कल के बैटर से बहुत ज्यादा फ्लोई होगा ये बैटर. Why? Because we have orange juice in this, which is in a very liquidy state. ठीक है? Can you see the final batter, guys? This brownie can be baked in a 5-inch tin. आप ये वाले ब्राउनी को कोई भी 5-inch tin में बेक कर सकते हो. Okay? Keeping this aside, yesterday we showed you how to bake them in a tin. Today we'll be using bake and serve molds. So these are brownie bake and serve molds. These are individual pieces. So you can make one piece. And if somebody has ordered 4 pieces, you can just keep 4 of these pieces and deliver. Okay, so these are brownie bake and serve molds. Let's transfer the batter to these molds. Brownies do not rise a lot, but still keep 3/4 of these molds empty. ठीक है, brownies बहुत ज़्यादा rise नहीं करती हैं, but still I prefer keeping 3/4 of this mold empty. Always tap and then move on to the second. Okay. So we have 2 tins ready. Let us also finish the batter in the third tin. Okay, we'll just remove a little batter from this one and add here. Each tin here accommodates approximately 60 grams. ठीक है, so इस हर tin में approximately 60 grams batter होगा. Okay, great. Let us now keep them inside for baking. I'll just put them inside for baking and be back.
हाँ जी माँ.
Okay. This recipe will give you approximately 250 grams. Okay, इस रेसिपी से आपको approximately 250 grams of brownies मिलेंगी. Okay. Guys, any queries till now? Any queries in batter part? कोई भी query है batter में आपको? Can we use milk chocolate rather than dark chocolate? Ideally, no, because milk chocolate is very sweet and you cannot adjust the sweetness in these brownies because there is no sugar. ठीक है, क्योंकि कोई चीनी नहीं हम ऐड कर रहे हैं तो आप अदरवाइज इसकी स्वीटनेस नहीं कंट्रोल कर पाओगे. इफ यू लाइक दैट मच स्वीट यू कैन ट्राई इट विद मिल्क चॉकलेट ऑल्सो. अगर उतने मीठा पसंद आ सकता है आपको तो आप मिल्क चॉकलेट से भी ट्राई कर सकते हो. Or does the chocolate mix need not cool before adding? So the place where I am currently staying is already very, so it's winters in Delhi right now. Things are freezing up right now. So यहाँ पर, just keep it outside for 2 minutes. It turns cold. Also, if it's lukewarm, you can add. बिल्कुल खोलता हुआ नहीं add करोगे आप. थोड़ा सा lukewarm हो जाएगा chocolate mix, तो आप add कर सकते हो. Or did you add dark butter with dark chocolate while melting? Yes. Double boiler method I'll explain. Can you see the ratio of making buttermilk? So for every, एक second, I'll just check this ratio and confirm. Can we use compound? Yes, we can use compound. Okay. Why no cocoa powder used? The dark chocolate itself will give you a very nice flavor of chocolate, so no cocoa powder is required. Why did you avoid baking soda? Any particular reason? There is a reason. Baking soda, ideally baking soda and baking powder are made from the same stuff. They both have the same utilization, which is leveling agent. Okay, but baking soda is a fast reactor. On the other hand, baking powder is a slow reactor. Okay, so if you add baking soda, your batter starts forming up very fast. Also, there will be a lot more sponginess in your brownies than what we require. Brownies need not be as spongy as a cake. Okay, that's why all cakes will have baking soda no matter what, but brownies will usually have baking powder in them. If we double the recipe, do we have to double the baking powder? Yes. अगर आप double triple करते हो recipe, तो आपको baking powder भी double triple करना है. कल का recipe से you'll get approximately 500 grams, 500, 550. I had confirmed on the group. 500 grams, the 500, 520. Also depends upon the amount of cream cheese you add. ठीक है, मैंने half cream cheese कर दिया था, इसलिए थोड़ा सा कम था मेरा weight. Which chocolate did I use? I had used 2M. You can use Daniel. You can use 2M. There is Mode, Van Housey. बहुत सारे हैं market में. You can use any of them. Do not use Dairy Milk, Cadbury. ये नहीं use करने. There is also Amul dark chocolate which you can use. Amul का dark chocolate भी आता है, वो भी use कर सकते हो. How can we use anything else instead of orange zest? Instead of orange, if you don't have orange zest, you can skip the orange zest. That is okay. How to use Nutella in it? Again, this is something which we discussed starting May. I will not prefer removing fruit flavors from them and adding any chocolate flavors. Nutella, Oreo, walnuts, these all go nice with the fudge brownies. Okay, there is a separate recipe for fudge brownies. However, if you still want to just give it a try, 1/4 this batter and try it up for your tasting purposes. जिससे you do not end up wasting a lot of ingredients. ठीक है, अगर स्टिल ट्राई करना है तो 1/4 रेसिपी से ट्राई करना. न्यूटेला ऐड करना है तो जस्ट ऐड 1 tablespoon of Nutella in the batter itself. Brownies in bake and serve mold can be baked on gas. Yes. Caliboot. Yes. You can use Caliboot chocolates. How much time for baking? So these individual cups will be baked in another 15 minutes. Instead of, there is no replacement for condensed milk. हम लोग condensed milk का कोई replacement नहीं है in recipes में. Also, both the brownies which we have taught today and tomorrow are professional recipes and can be stored for up to 7 to 8 days. Cling wrap them, put it in airtight box and keep it in fridge. They will stay good for up to 8 days. ठीक है, obviously they have butter. Anything having butter will harden up in fridge. So once you have to eat them, serve them, deliver them, bring them out, microwave them for 20 seconds and then serve them. Okay. Time for baking these on gas. Okay, I haven't dealt with baking. Why we haven't dealt with baking today is the baking part is same as what we had taught yesterday. बिल्कुल सेम है, एकदम सेम है OTG, माइक्रोवेव एंड गैस के लिए. गैस में तो आप टेम्परेचर कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते हो. फॉर OTG यू कैन बेक दीज एट 180 डिग्रीज. ओके, अगर आप इन्हें OTG में बना रहे हो आप 180 डिग्रीज पे बेक कर सकते हो इन्हें. However, if you want to stick to 170 degrees, no issues. अगर आप इन्हें भी 170 डिग्री पे बनाओगे कोई दिक्कत की बात नहीं है, बट 180 पे भी बन सकती हैं ये. ठीक है. If you bake this in aluminium tin, it is again the same as yesterday. Might take up to 20-25 minutes. The only thing which you need to remember is the 2 steps which we had taught you. Right? 2 चीजें आपको कल बताई थी. सेंटर जिगली नहीं होना चाहिए है और टूथपिक टेस्ट कैसा होना चाहिए. That is the cue for perfectly baked brownies, guys. Otherwise, your brand of OTG or your brand of microwave or the flame, different gas brands like Sunflame हो गया, ये कौन सा, ये Faber का हो गया, ये सबके फ्लेम्स भी अलग अलग होते हैं. सो आई कैन नॉट पॉसिबली टेल यू एन एग्जैक्ट टाइम कि नहीं 25 मिनट में तो हो ही जाएगा. ठीक है. Every brand, every weather condition will affect it. You can use the same microwave, you can use the same recipe, same tin, and there will be a time difference in your winter bake and in your summer bake also. Okay. So, okay. So please look for the 2 things which we had taught you. Okay. Water batter is flowing like water consistency. Please check the amount of all-purpose flour which you've added. आपने कितना all-purpose flour ऐड किया है, क्योंकि सिर्फ एक ही ड्राई इंग्रेडिएंट है इसमें all-purpose flour. आप उसकी क्वांटिटी चेक कर लो. उसके सिवा if it is flowing, that is fine. You can put it inside your OTG or for baking. How to avoid orange juice or any juice we have dealt with in the starting of the class. Okay. Again, just repeating a few things. How to replace juices starting में dealt है. Please, we'll send the video recordings and you can look at them. Baking is same as yesterday, be it OTG baking, be it microwave baking or be it gas baking. Hence, we are not repeating the baking part today. हम लोग baking वाला part आज नहीं repeat कर रहे हैं क्योंकि baking same है जैसे हमने कल deal करी थी. ठीक है. What we'll deal with today is pricing and packaging. Okay, तो हम लोग अभी pricing and packaging deal करेंगे. These brownies either in summers or winters will last for 2 days outside the fridge and for up to 7 to 8 days inside your fridge. आप अगर बाहर रखना चाहते हो तो 2 दिन और अगर अंदर रखना चाहते हो तो 7 से 8 दिन. ठीक है. विंटर्स में बाहर 3 दिन तक भी रह सकते हैं. ओके, बट फ्रिज में 7 से 8 दिन आराम से रहेंगे. प्लीज एयर टाइट बॉक्स में या फिर क्लिंग रैप करके ही रखोगे, ठीक है। It is not possible to not use dark chocolate. Okay. Pricing, I will deal with pricing up. Okay, let's start with the pricing part, guys. Any doubts with the batter part, please you can let me know right now. Replacements we have already dealt, so I'm not gonna repeat them again. 2 बार मैं already deal कर चुकी हूँ, मैं फिर से अभी नहीं explain करूँगी. Please recordings मिलेंगी तो आप उन्हें एक बार go through कर लेना. Recordings access करने में किसी को कोई दिक्कत नहीं होनी चाहिए क्योंकि YouTube वीडियो है, सबके फ़ोन में चलनी चाहिए. Nearly that is fine, you can put it inside for baking fill. It should be flowy but a little thick because of the condensed milk. Flowy batter होगा but थोड़ा सा thickness भी होगा because इसमें condensed milk है, right? Okay. Let's deal with pricing for both the brownies now. Let's deal with pricing for today's brownie first. So this brownie does not has a very what do you call it, very exotic ingredients in it. कोई बहुत ही ज़्यादा expensive ingredient इस brownie में नहीं जा रहा है, ठीक है. If you look at the condensed milk amount, it is a very little amount. If you're looking at dark chocolate also, again it's a very small amount for dark chocolates. So the ideal amount you can sell these brownies is for 400 rupees. ठीक है, 250 grams for 400 rupees. If you want to divide those 250 grams into pieces, you can also do it. तो अगर आपको ये brownies को sell करना है, इस बैटर से आपको 250 grams मिल जाएगा. 250 grams आप 400 rupees तक sell कर सकते हो. This will include your rent price, your packaging price. I am taking packaging price till up to 35 rupees. ठीक है, मैक्सिमम पैकेजिंग प्राइस आप 35 रुपीज, मैं 35 रुपीज मान के चल रही हूँ. अगर आपकी प्राइसिंग पैकेजिंग का प्राइस एनीथिंग बिटवीन 35 है तो ये प्राइसिंग आपके लिए परफेक्ट है. अगर 35 रुपीज से ज्यादा महंगी आपकी पैकेजिंग है, जो कि आइडियली नहीं होनी चाहिए, तो आप लोग पैकेजिंग के हिसाब से अपनी प्राइसिंग प्लीज चेंज कर लेना, ठीक है. सो आई एम टेकिंग प्राइसिंग फॉर अप टू 35 रुपीज, पैकेजिंग फॉर अप टू 35 रुपीज, and then ingredients cost. Delivery is separate. I am not including the delivery charges. So delivery charge is a Y component which will vary from your place to which place you want to deliver. अगर 5 मिनट का ही डिफरेंस है तो अलग डिलीवरी चार्ज होगा, ज़्यादा है तो अलग होगा, राइट. तो इस वजह से इसके अंदर डिलीवरी चार्जेस नहीं इंक्लूडेड है. इंग्रेडिएंट्स, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, water because you'll have to wash your utensils post baking, एफर्ट एंड यू नो बीच का जो पेट्रोल का खर्चा होता है, सामान लाना, ये वो सब इंक्लूड करके दिस प्राइस इंक्लूड्स एवरीथिंग फॉर दिस ब्राउनीज. यू कैन इजीली सेल इट फॉर 250 grams for 400 rupees. Okay, now this is 3x your usual amount. Does anybody know this 3x वाला रेशियो कैसे होता है? If you guys know it, you can let me know or I can explain this also. अगर पता है 3x कैसे करते हैं तो आप मुझे बता दो, नहीं पता तो मैं ये भी explain कर सकती हूँ. Okay, cool. How do you do this rate pricing is, guys, you take out your ingredients cost. ठीक है, आपका ingredients cost suppose 120 rupees आ रहा है. Okay, for suppose your ingredients cost is 120 rupees. This cost multiplied, this cost is your X factor. This multiplied by 3 will take out your profit and your miscellaneous expenses also. ठीक है, तो आपकी जो ingredient cost है उसको आप हमेशा 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. That is your selling price for taking out your profit plus your miscellaneous cost. If you think that 3x is very high amount, 3x बहुत ज़्यादा है, हमारे customers इतना pay नहीं करेंगे, what you can do is maximum reduce it to 2.5x. ठीक है, so ingredient cost into 2.5. Okay, This is the minimum cost you can reduce, क्योंकि 0.5 will be your miscellaneous, sorry 0.5 will be your profit and 1 will be your miscellaneous cost. तो आप अल्टीमेटली अपना प्रॉफिट ही रिड्यूस कर रहे होगे 2.5 में, ठीक है. सो एवरी टाइम यू हैव टू प्राइस एनीथिंग, नो मैटर इट इज ब्राउनीज, इट इज केक्स, इट इज कप केक्स, आपका कुकीज, कुछ भी आप प्राइस करोगे, आप अपनी इंग्रेडिएंट कॉस्ट निकालोगे और आप उसको इंटू 3x करोगे या इंटू 2.5x करोगे, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन योर कस्टमर्स. ठीक है, आपके कस्टमर्स पे डिपेंड करता है, आर दे विलिंग टू पे 3x, इफ नॉट मैक्सिमम रिडक्शन इज 2.5x. यू कैन नॉट सेल देम ऑन 2x बिकॉज उसमें तो आपका मिसलेनियस कॉस्ट और इंग्रेडिएंट कॉस्ट ही है, तो आपका प्रॉफिट कुछ भी नहीं बचा फिर. एंड यू आर वर्किंग फॉर प्रॉफिट्स, राइट? Everybody herein is working for profit. Nobody is working कि ठीक है जितना खर्चा हुआ उतने में ही हम बेच देते हैं, इसके लिए कोई काम नहीं कर रहा है, right? So minimum is 2.5x, maximum is 3x. Okay, getting it guys? Guys समझ आया 3x मॉडल क्या होता है? Cool. Perfect. So this is how you price your orange brownies. 250 grams for 400 rupees. Your other is cream cheese swirl red velvet brownies. Those 500 grams of brownies can sell for around 600-650 rupees also. ठीक है, the maximum cost in those brownies will be for your cream cheesy. ठीक है, आपका उसमें maximum cost cream cheese का ही है. 650 rupees is a decent amount. If you have customers who are willing to pay, you can increase it up to 700 rupees bhi. So 500 grams for 650 to 700 rupees. ठीक है, this will remove all your cost, miscellaneous cost, ingredients cost and your profit. ठीक है, इसमें सब कुछ cover होगा. Okay, I think that the brownies are also done. Let's do a quick check on them. Guys, any doubts you can post them in the chat box. कोई डाउट है तो आप चैट बॉक्स में लिख दीजिए. Okay, let's do a toothpick test for a brownie which I know is not done. ठीक है, I know ये brownie नहीं हुआ है, but let's still do a toothpick test to see how that toothpick will look like. Okay, can you see the batter right now sticking to this toothpick? सबको दिख रहा है batter चिपका हुआ है. Right, so we know that this, because the center is very soft and a little jiggly right now, so that automatically lets us know that this is not done correctly. I thought red velvet brownie would be more expensive. No, मतलब क्योंकि there is nothing except for the cream cheese. All ingredients used are readily available ingredients, right? So that's one of the reasons it is not very expensive. Again, if you think that there will be people, just a minute. Can somebody just remind me what pricing did I tell for red velvet? Did I tell you this for 500 grams? Okay, no, please wait guys. Red velvet brownies, 250 grams is for 500 rupees. So sorry, 250 grams is for 500 rupees. Red velvet में, ठीक है? 250 grams orange ones is 400 rupees. 250 grams of red velvet is for 500 rupees. For orange crystal recipe, orange crystal recipe is Pavel. I am not sure I've heard of it. How to decorate the brownies? That is again your choice. जैसे red velvet में तो you don't need any decoration. ठीक है, red velvets are already decorated with those pearls. उसमें आपको कोई decoration का जरूरत नहीं है red velvet में. जो orange brownies है, you can either decorate it with candied oranges on top, जैसे दिखाया था, जिसकी लिंक भी मैं आपको भेज दूंगी. ठीक है, and you can also just drizzle with ganache, जैसे somebody in the group had done it. किसी ने फोटो डाला था कल, who had baked it for their parents' anniversary. So you can also just decorate it with ganache if you want to. Can you repeat the pricing? It's 400 rupees for 250 grams of orange brownies, and it's 500 rupees for 250 grams of red velvet brownies. Can we use nuts in orange brownies? You can. So orange tastes amazing with walnuts, so you can add walnuts if you want to. Orange brownies में walnuts जो होते हैं, अखरोट जो होते हैं, आप उनका यूज कर सकते हो. ठीक है. Guys, are we clear with pricing? I've also told the generic method and given a estimate of pricing. Are we clear with pricing part, guys? Yes or no, so that we can move on to the next step. Okay. Moving on, the last is packaging. Walnut should be raw or roasted. You can use raw walnuts also. Raw walnuts again taste good. If you want, you can go a step ahead and roast those walnuts and add. But raw walnuts also taste nice. Okay. Now the final part is packaging. How do you package these brownies? For packaging, you can either use those brownie के जो there are specific brownie molds, which comes if you brownie packaging जो होती है पतली सी होती है, you can use that. Or if you're using anything similar to these bake and serve वाले, what I am using, what you can do is just keep them in a cake box. So for their small cake boxes, wherein you can just put 5 or 6 of them. You also have the full cake box wherein you can put 8 of them. Again, your pricing should not be more than 35 rupees at any cost. What you can do is put a cake board. ठीक है, उस पे keep your pieces. If you're not using bake and serve molds, the best way of sending this across is putting a cake board and keeping it on top of it. ठीक है, छोटा केक बोर्ड ले लो जिसमें सिर्फ 4 आते हैं, बड़ा उससे जिसमें 6 आते हैं. So you will have different sizes of cake boards for putting them. Okay, but at any cost, your cake board price plus your packaging price, the box price, or the bake and serve mold price plus the box price should not be more than 35 rupees. These bake and serve molds are for 6 rupees. ठीक है, similar to what a cake board will be. Suppose that 15 or 19 rupees of packaging. कितना ही सुंदर हो, right? Because at the end, packaging is not what you can explain to the client कि देखो packaging ही 50 रुपए का है. Client will say, I don't have to eat the packaging, right? थोड़ा सा सुंदर दिखना चाहिए. That's it. Otherwise, that packaging at the end is gonna go to the dustbin only. So look for good packaging, but not very expensive packagings. Can we ship these to other states? If the shipping is taking only 1 day, yes. So nearby states, if suppose I am in Delhi, shipping to Chandigarh is only 1 day. So I can do that, but not very far off shippings, because if it is not kept inside fridge, they will spoil. Okay, I think we have covered all components from batter, baking, we have did, pricing, packaging. Guys, anything else left what we could have taught in the brownies? Where do we find packaging materials? We find it on impressions card we used to buy from Sycamore. So SCH करके कोई company है, but that is very expensive. We found it quite later on, and then we also have a local vendor from Royal Boxes. I think they ship across India. So if you want those vendor details, I can share them, or you can look for vendors near your areas also. What shipping do we suggest in Delhi? In Delhi, if there is Borzo, which serves in your area, you can use Borzo. If Borzo does not serve in your area, there is Pidge. Mode of shipping, so outside Delhi or outside your area, if you want to ship, you have to cling wrap them, put it in a box, put bubble wrapping on top, and then ship them. ठीक है, अगर आप आउट ऑफ अपने सिटी के भेज रहे हो एंड नॉर्मल डिलीवरी पार्टनर्स जैसे फेडेक्स हो गया या ब्लू डार्ट हो गया वो यूज़ कर रहे हो, तो आपको उसमें उसे क्लिंग रैप करो, बॉक्स में रखो एंड फिर बबल रैप करो. बट पता है क्या, दैट विल बी टू मच ऑफ कॉस्टिंग एंड आई डोंट थिंक एनीबडी आउटसाइड योर स्टेट और आउटसाइड योर सिटी will want to pay इतना for packaging part. If baking in tin, what is the ideal size of each brownie piece for selling purposes? I think a 4:4 should be a good size. There is no ideal sizing in brownies. If you're making a brownie tower, you will put small pieces. If you want, you can sell them in grams. So for suppose, you can tell your clients that each piece will be 45 grams or each piece will be 60 grams. ऐसे करके. Vendor details, I'll show the vendor details. Just a minute. Can I repeat shipping partners? So shipping partners for us are within Delhi, Borzo and Pidge, Borzo, Borzo, Pidge, Pidge, Pidge. And for outside city, if we want to do it, we use delivery and express these. Also, I'm stopping the recordings now.